Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. Today I'll be showing you how I created this beautiful centerpiece from leftover PVC. So here I'm using my PVC cutter to cut my PVC to length. I'm not using any specific measurement, I'm just cutting each one shorter than the one before. I'll be using a foam wreath to align my pipes, and I'm using hot glue and Gorilla Glue to attach it to the cardboard. If you haven't seen the DIY on my table that I use PVC to make, please go ahead and check it out. The link will be in the description below. Next, I'm taking a piece of leftover foam and I'm cutting it wider than the cardboard, and then I'll glue it together. Since the wreath is round, I'm paring off the edges so the pipes will fit better. And I'm using my Gorilla Glue along with my hot glue, and I'm gluing them together. I had to put my gloves on for the Gorilla Glue. I learned my lesson. This glue will leave your fingers looking ugly for a whole week. After I was done, I went outside and I spray painted it gold. So I'm just adding a piece of background paper so it will look neater on the bottom, and I'm using school glue to attach it. I'll be using these decorative glass gems to cover the holes in the pipe. The gems are different sizes, also the holes are not all the same. If you look at the top of the pipes, you'll see that some of them are a little bit thicker. So I'm using these craft sticks to attach my flowers, and these are the foam flowers. I'll be changing the arrangement of the flowers later on in the video, you'll see. And so I picked up these glitter from the Dollar Tree, and I'll be using one pack along with some tacky glue just to put on the center of the flowers to give it that little pop. I have this gold ribbon. I think it's about 3 inches. So what I did is to double it, and it have the wire in the edge. So I'm gonna use it along the base just to cover up the base where the glue is showing. And as you can see, I'm using hot glue to do that. And I'm using my scissors just to push it down into the groove so it will still hold the shape of the pipes. So off camera, I went ahead and added 3 rows of bling wrap right at the edge where the ribbon meets the base. So I'm taking a piece of old foam that I used for another project, and I'm attaching it to the center with hot glue. Now you can see the glitter is partially dry. It's getting nice and shiny. So I just went ahead and applied my flowers, and I tried to layer them so they won't look as flat as the first arrangement. And this is how the bling wrap looks. I think it looks very nice. It goes very well with that gold strip in the ribbon. And here's how it looks on that table that I made, guys. It goes very well together. It looks very nice and very elegant. What do you think? Do you like it? If you like it, give me a thumbs up. Click the thumbs up button below, and also please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all my future uploads. Remember to check the description below to see the link for this table. Thanks for watching.